Welcome. In this video, we'll walk you through the flush mounting installation of the Akuvox E13 door phone. This guide covers 4 steps: unboxing and checking parts, installing the mounting bracket onto an in-wall box, mounting the device, and finally powering on the device and connecting it to a network. Let's begin with unboxing and checking the parts. You should have one E13 unit, a wiring cover, a mounting bracket, rubber plug A, rubber plug B, an 11-pin cable, 2 M3 by 6 Torx screws, 2 No. 6 by 20 Phillips machine screws, 4 M2 by 5 crosshead screws, a cable tie, and a Torx wrench. Since this video focuses on flush mounting, you'll also need the flush mounting box, which comes in a separate in-wall installation kit. Now that everything is accounted for, let's get started. Before you begin, make sure the in-wall box has already been securely embedded into the wall, sitting flush with the wall surface and with its opening facing upward. Take the mounting bracket and align its screw holes with the holes on the in-wall box. Make sure the arrow on the bracket is pointing upward. This ensures the unit will be installed the right way round. Using a crosshead screwdriver, secure the bracket in place with the 2 No. 6 by 20 Phillips machine screws. Tighten both screws evenly until the bracket sits flush against the wall. That completes the bracket installation. Next, let's prepare the main unit and connect the wiring. With the bracket secured, let's connect the Ethernet cable and any other wires to the main unit and finish up by securing the main unit in place. Take out the main unit, connect the Ethernet cable and wires to the corresponding interface. For details, refer to the instructions in the quick guide. Choose the correct rubber plug for your cables. Use rubber plug A if you're only connecting the Ethernet cable, or rubber plug B if you're using both the Ethernet cable and other wires. Place the plug into its designated slot. Insert the wires and Ethernet cable into the groove, then secure the wiring cover to the back cover using the 4 M2 by 5 crosshead screws. Use the cable tie to bundle the wires neatly, and tuck the cables into the wall opening so they won't be pinched when the unit is mounted. Hang the slots on the upper back of the main unit onto the corresponding hooks on the bracket. Gently press the main unit onto the bracket and make sure it fits properly into the in-wall box before final mounting. Slide the main unit downward along the bracket, making sure the tabs on the bracket click securely into the slots at the bottom of the device. Secure the device by tightening the 2 M3 by 6 Torx screws using the wrench provided in the box. Check that the main unit sits flush with the wall and that all connections are secure. That completes the physical installation. Once installed, power on the device and connect it to a network. Press and hold the call button. The device will announce its IP address. If the network is working properly, you'll hear a valid IP address.
IP 192.168.100.132.
If it announces IP 0000, that means it hasn't obtained an address yet. Thanks for watching.